So mga kababayan, let me end this way. Kung comfort lang po, sumang-ayon na po ako sa administrasyon. My life will be totally much easier, but I couldn't live with myself. Why? Life without a purpose is not living. Diba? You all have to consult your maker. Is this the kind of world that the Philippine Constitution wants? Is this the kind of world that the Bible tells us, the kind of Philippines we want? Diba? So, you might not like me. You might not agree with my politics. I'm not perfect. Some of you might not even trust me. And if I'm wrong, then tama feelings nyo. But what if I'm right? How many of us didn't listen to the science in 1970s? And what happened for 20 years? So what if I'm wrong now? You don't have to like me. My stay as Senate President